5G खिदमात के आगाज़ पर रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज़ के चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी ने कहा कि 5G डिजिटल से लोगों को काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा। मुकेश अंबानी ने कहा कि ये टेक्नोलॉजी हिंदुस्तानियों की ज़िंदगी में सेहत, दौलत और खुशी लाएगी। उन्होंने कहा कि दिसंबर 2023 तक 5G सर्विसेज मुल्क के कोने कोने तक पहुंचा दी जाएंगी।
Today is also very special because it coincides with our national celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Our beloved Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, has shared an inspiring vision of making India a nation by 2047. Every policy and every action of the government is skillfully crafted to propel India towards that goal. The steps taken to fast-track India's march into the 5G era provide. This is most heartening because 5G is much more than the next generation of connectivity technology. To my mind, it is a foundational technology that unlocks the full potential of other 21st century technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, robotics, blockchain, and Metaverse. In fact, I think of 5G as an acronym for 5 goals that fundamentally can transform our nation. And high quality education and skill development within the reach of common Indians. This will help young Indians realize their full potential by arming them with capabilities and competencies so that they can earn more and make India globally competitive. Second, 5G can affordably deliver high-quality healthcare to rural and remote areas by turning existing much additional investment. This will make services of the best doctors available, improve of diagnostics and enable real-time clinical decision-making. All this will enhance health, wealth, and happiness. The gap between urban and rural India by accelerating digitization and intelligent data management of agriculture services, trade, industry, the informal sector, transportation, and energy infrastructure. This will create huge efficiencies in all economic activities, making India a hub of innovation and also help us mitigate the climate crisis. 4, 5G can make available the same powerful productivity tools to small-scale industry and commercial enterprises as are used by and profitability of all sectors of India's economy. And fifth and final, by bringing artificial intelligence into every domain, 5G can power India's emergence as the world's intelligence capital. This will help India become a major exporter of high value added and the most affordable rates that anyone else has in the world. Today, I want to reiterate Jio's commitment to deliver 5G to every town, every taluka, and every district by December of 2023.
श्री मुकेश अंबानी जी मेरे पिताजी ने बताया जियो का पूरा प्लान होएगा कि दिसंबर तक पूरा इंडिया कवर हो जाएगा। भाग भाग इंडिया में अपन देखेंगे कि 5G के अनुसार बहुत सारे नए एप्लीकेशंस आएंगे और जैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर
सर्विसेज अफोर्डेबल होगी, किस तरह की सर्विसेज होगी 5G?
एब्सोल्युटली हम बहुत अफोर्डेबल करेंगे, हर तक करेंगे। थैंक यू।
कठुआ हिटता था, पुलिस ने लाश को कब्जे में ले लिया है। नौजवान की शिनाख्त मोहम्मद सलीम साकिन महानपुर बिशौली के तौर पर हुई है। पुलिस मजीद इस मामले में तफ्तीशी कार्रवाई